In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to write a review on Shein, and we'll aim for this to be about 2.5 minutes. Sharing your feedback on products you've purchased not only helps other customers make informed decisions, but it also allows you to share your personal insights and experiences. So let's dive right in and walk through this process together. First things first, you'll want to log into your Shein account. Make sure you have your login credentials handy and enter them to access your account. Once you're in, head over to the My Orders section. This is where you'll find a list of all the past purchases you've made on Shein. It's a convenient way to keep track of everything you've ordered, and it's also the starting point for writing your review. Next, take a moment to locate the specific item you want to review from your list of orders. Once you find it, go ahead and select it. This will bring up more details about the product and your purchase history. It's helpful to revisit the product details to ensure your review is detailed and accurate. After you've selected the product, look for the option that says Write a Review. Go ahead and tap on it. This will open a new page where you'll be able to add your thoughts on the item. Now it's time to share your feedback. Start by adding your comments. Consider what you liked about the product, any aspects that could be improved, and whether the item met your expectations based on its description on the site. The more specific your comments, the more helpful they will be to others. Next, you'll rate the product, often on a scale provided by the platform. Be honest in your rating. It's okay if it's less than perfect, as long as it reflects your true experience. If possible, you can upload photos of the product. Images can be incredibly helpful for other customers, giving them a real-life glimpse of what to expect. Ensure your photos are clear and focus on the features of the product you are discussing. Once you feel satisfied with your comments, rating, and any uploaded photos, you're ready for the final step, which is submitting your review. Double check everything to make sure it's exactly how you want it to appear. Then go ahead and hit submit. There you have it, folks. You've just contributed to the Shein community by sharing your insights and experiences. Thank you for taking the time to do this. Your input helps others make better shopping choices. I hope you found this walkthrough helpful, and I encourage you to leave reviews on future purchases as well. Thank you for watching, and happy reviewing.